Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. I came up with this colorful makeup look which I think is very versatile and at the same time lot of colors going on. I will be mainly focusing on the eye makeup, so I hope you all like it, and if you like watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mermaid Bidisha, like this video and leave a comment below what you liked about this tutorial. Okay guys, I first start with concealer and now I'm gonna take this matte base eyeshadow, the lighter one, all over my lids, whereas the darker one, the flesh tone eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply on the crease line to add some depth. And next I'm going to take this pink eyeshadow, layer it on top of that matte base, and then I'm gonna take this walnut strut eyeshadow, layer it on top of the pink. And now I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, Mrs. Bella, add some pink onto my crease, followed by blue. I already applied my lashes and mascara and defining my lower lash line with matte blue eyeshadow from Patrick Star One Size palette. Rare Beauty's liquid blush is a must-have during this summertime, especially to add some vibrance to your makeup. And ColourPop glitter eyeshadow in the shade Get Clarity. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the center of my lids and corner of my eyes and highlight my face, of course. And that's pretty much it. I hope you all liked this makeup video of mine. Share your feedback in the comment section below. Bye for now.